Finding it difficult to stay on top of your preventative maintenance schedule? Struggling to track and manage your assets, including equipment, inventory, and infrastructure? Overspending on repairs, replacements, and maintenance services? Losing productivity due to equipment instability or breakdowns? What if you had a central system to manage all your preventative maintenance? Keep assets up to date and in working condition. Prevent costly instability or complete breakdown of your assets. Eliminate manual research and filing. Know your asset history and maintenance costs. Do all this in a single central system. Capitalize on an investment your organization already has in place, Office 365. SB Facilities is a next-generation SharePoint Microsoft Teams application. Unlike traditional standalone work order applications, SB Facilities is a complete operational portal that automates facilities and assets, processes, enables staff collaboration, and empowers employee self-service through a MyFacilities portal. SB Facilities. Get a free demo today. Click the link below.